Good morning. Welcome to my back cave. It's half of my garage, which is such a mess. There's so much stuff jammed in here. But this is where I work, usually, especially when I paint. Okay, I started doing this piece and then thought I really should do a little demo on it. This is just a nice little bedside with a single drawer, had some appliques stuck on it, little flowers that look pretty bad. So I took them off and they're quite gluey underneath. So I used my heat gun to scrape off the glue. I've smoothed them over, fixed them all up, filled these little holes here, smoothed it lovely and flat where the two little gaps were here. I have cleaned it really well, then I've sanded it all over, then my primer was the Carts and Melly adhesive primer, which is fantastic. Just a small layer, a really thin layer, is enough to grip any paint. Now I'm using their boutique mineral paint in Blue Hole. Now I want this nice navy blue as my base coat because I'll be doing other paintwork over the top of this and some of the blue may show through. So this is just going to be my base. But what I was doing, I've started in here already as you can see. So I'll just go on with it. I thought I really should film this when I started because it might be good for someone who's just starting off painting. Painting for decades, over 20 years, but not furniture. Furniture's a very different thing, painting walls and ceilings, and although the basics are the same. Can you see it here? Yes, you can. Let's go. I know when I get up again that side you won't be able to see, so I'll just try and stay in this place. I still do my pretty basic base coats with the old cutting technique. So I do a cut, and I fill in, and I always fill in from the centre. I lay on the paint and then spread it over, hopefully in one direction, but it's a bit awkward to get my arm in here while I'm filming. So once I finish it, and then I go over this way. And I'm not pushing hard, I'm just letting the brush do its thing. Just gliding it along. This is my trusty Klingon Shorty 50, which I love. Great for doing little jobs like this, where you're really close up and you don't, otherwise I hit myself in the face with those long handles. It's good for people that are short-sighted too, like me, because half the time I go over the top of my glasses like that and I can see much better without them on for up-close work. I can read a book sitting on my nose, so I'm very short-sighted. But up close, I don't normally need glasses. In fact, I do better without them. Okay, so there's a first coat. Under this lip we go. I'm going to pull this drawer out in a moment and get right in here. I love their paints and Carts and Melly because they're not really thin, but they're not thick and gluggy. So you've got pretty good open work time with them, which is important where I live in Queensland because it's so hot. I could hardly sleep all night, I had fans on. It was a terrible heat last night, and again today, and I've got a fan on behind me. It's a great new look store with the same friendly service. So I'm not too fiddly as I said because this is my base coat. Can you see that side? 9 p.m. every day of the year. Pull up right outside the door. This is just pretty much my undercoat. It's the truck you've been waiting for. Fast leading safety, power and efficiency. The new Hino 300 series. Built for safety, ready for anything. Hurry to Skyfleet Hino today. Thanks for Spencer Road. It's already dried up here. I can go over it. Big table of family and friends, or a quiet meal for two. They even have private dining options available and function facilities. I lay it on with a little bit of pressure and then I smooth it out with no pressure.
Sensational menu and a great
major project to get rid of it.
Book deliveries online now at narangarsl.com.au. With all this and free Wi-Fi to keep the kids entertained, why go to the coast?
I might go through the whole process of this little piece with you, so you can watch. This is going to develop into a blend.
So you can get back to, that's a lovely delicate.
And see, I'm not using any water, but my brush had been soaking in water before I started, so I just cleaned it off with a dry cloth.
Consider the PDS and TM at colesinsurance.com.au.
And there was just that little bit of dampness left on the brush. But don't need to add water even if it's hot or climate. It's a really good paint.
All served with their deliciously crispy chips. Peter's Fish Market, Seawell Drive, Main Beach.
COVID-19 vaccination boosters are now available at Campro Chemists. All COVID-19 vaccinations must be undertaken on the advice of a health practitioner. 92.5 Triple M News.
Just using what's on the brush to do my edges, and I turn my brush on the side to do my edges,
which could lead to more flash flooding.
so I don't get drips.
Meanwhile, is going to use his powers to declare a national emergency, a move which will allow more resources to be deployed to hard-hit areas. The Weather Bureau's Helen Kirkup says there's an unstable air mass which is heading our way.
We'll probably see thunderstorms come through during the afternoon. At the moment, most of those storms are further north, particularly the more severe ones of Sunshine Coast and over the Waipori region.
A man has suffered a head injury, cuts and bruises after attempting to stop thieves driving off with his stolen car at a service station in Southport early this morning. The VW Golf had been stolen from an address in Regatta Street. The man managing to track it down a short time later on Ferry Road. The 50-year-old attempted to box the car in but was struck as it sped off.
Okay,
Only half of
get
all
a good
dads
general
eligible
idea
for
of it.
paid parental
What
leave
side
from
are you
Central
looking
and
at? That
Grass are taking
side.
it.
I need to turn the whole
Because
piece
two
around
weeks
to
of
get to
leave
that
with a
side.
minimum wage of
You can see I've only used a tiny little bit of
$772 a
paint.
week.
It
Not enough
just,
incentive
it really
to
is
stay
good.
home with their newborn. Now we're
These
moving on to
paints,
brace for more pain at the
they
petrol
just give
pump.
such
Rated
good
average
coverage.
is 50
I've
go as
just
high
used
as
the tiniest
$2.40 a
little bit
litre.
of this jar,
Sunset
probably
senior
this much,
economist Ryan Felsman
to
says
do
several
all that.
factors are
By
playing
the time
out.
I finish this entire piece, I'll probably use maybe 1/6 of the bottom. It's very economical to use too.
Soon you'll see
Alright,
more
that'll do
money
for now.
being
I'm
paid
just
into
going to
your
soak my
super
brush
your
in
wages,
water
going
again.
up to 12%
So I just
by
literally drop
2025,
it
guaranteed.
into some
Find
water.
out
I'll show
more
you.
at yoursuperguaranteed.com.
Well, the Gold Coast Suns will go into round one of the
water container,
AFLW unscathed
dip it
and with
in
no
water,
new injury
get the
concerns.
bulk of the paint off of
Unfortunately,
it,
Tory Grove
and then I
will
will
miss the
hang
team's
it
final game
in
of the
my
season against
cleaner
Fremantle,
bucket
as she struggles
to
to
get
shake off
the,
the
and
effects
it will
of a
just, that
concussion
last
2
bit
weeks
of water
ago.
will just drop
And
off.
Adam Reynolds
A
says
bit
he's
of
pushed
paint will
hard
just
to overcome
drop off.
COVID in time for the Broncos'
Okay.
round one clash up against
I'll
South
come back
Sydney
when I
on
do the
Friday
sides.
night. But the star